In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot Home Depot website loading issues in Chrome. If the Home Depot website is not loading properly, showing an error, or refusing to display the latest version of the page, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can try in Chrome to rule out common causes. We'll go through them in a clear order so you can quickly figure out whether the problem is just a cached page, a browser extension, or something else interfering with the site. First, try force refreshing the page. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R together. A force refresh tells Chrome to reload the page more completely instead of relying on older cached files that may be stored in your browser. This is helpful because sometimes a website gets updated, but your browser keeps trying to use outdated data, which can lead to loading problems or broken page elements. After doing this, give the page a moment to fully reload and see whether the issue is resolved. If the page still doesn't load correctly, the next step is to open an incognito window in Chrome. On Windows, you can do that by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. Incognito mode is useful for troubleshooting because it runs Chrome in a cleaner session, often without using your normal browsing data and, in many cases, without certain extensions being active unless you've specifically allowed them. This makes it easier to tell whether the issue is related to your regular browser session. Once the incognito window is open, go directly to the Home Depot website and check whether it loads there. If the site works normally in incognito, that's a strong sign that something in your standard Chrome setup is causing the problem, such as a browser extension or a cached session issue. If the site still fails to load, disable any active ad blockers or VPN extensions in Chrome. These tools can sometimes block scripts, location checks, or other site functions that are necessary for a retail website to load properly. After turning them off, try loading the Home Depot